Hi guys, it's Temi here. Welcome to my channel, Cook with Temi. This video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make your tasty fish roux. Especially for the beginners, here you will learn step by step or easy method to make that your tasty fish roux. For the dough, use flour, nutmeg, baking powder, salt, sugar, which is optional, your egg, your milk, and your butter. Then for the filling, need your fish, vegetable oil, pepper, onion, with any other topping of your choice. This my recipe, I added little fresh tomatoes to the fillings. So first of all, let's go and make our dough. Added all the dry ingredients together, mixed thoroughly, then went in with the wet one, which is the egg, the butter, and the milk. I mixed them together to form a dough. Cover and set aside to rest for 10 minutes. Then I went to make my fillings. Added my vegetable oil to the pan, add chopped onions, then added the blended tomatoes, pepper, onions to it. Add my seasoning, stir, allow it to dry a little, and it's ready. Then the dough is ready. I cut into 2 equal parts, roll, cut into smaller shape, then roll one after the other. Add your fillings. Then for the sealing, you need just little flour and water mixed together. Then use it to seal the fish roux so it will not open while frying. So I believe if you have watched to this extent, you have been following this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. It is your first time of coming across our channel, please touch the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Touch the notification bell to keep you notified whenever I post new video or new recipe. Drop your comment on this comment section. Let me know where you are watching me from, so in my next video I will give you a shout out. Thanks for watching. For our returning subscribers, we say thank you. Continue to engage in our channel. We love you. Bye.
Hey there, friend, come on and see a place to spark your curiosity. Daily life just got a twist. Follow Tammy and kids don't miss. Oh yes, they're the best you'll find. Cooking tricks to blow your mind. Life's little magics in their thread. Tammy and kids keeps you ahead. Recipes fresh like morning dew, serving smiles and something new. Activities for all to share. Follow Tammy and kids everywhere. Oh yes, they're the best you'll find. Cooking tricks to blow your mind. Life's little magics in their thread. Tammy and kids keeps you ahead.